Magandang oras mga card lover, mga kababayan. Ito yung nangyayari kanina na napaka-unfair na desisyon ng judges sa boxing na nangyayari kina Manny Pacquiao, pambansang kamao natin, at Mario Barrios. Kasi klarong-klaro naman na lamang si Manny Pacquiao sa patama. At ito nga, kahit mga boxers, mga celebrity na nanonood ay mayroong samot-saring reaksyon, pero ang lahat ay pabor kay Manny Pacquiao. Ito ang video atin panoorin.
I am so proud of Manny. It was unbelievable, great performance, legendary fight. He won the hearts of the whole humanity.
No regrets on having ranked him in that whole thing that happened?
No, that's the answer.
Yeah, that's the answer, right?
You made those who had an issue.
Yeah. So what do you want to see from Manny now, Mauricio? He's done everything.
Whatever he wants to do.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Did you agree with the draw? No, I didn't agree with the draw. I thought Manny won. I thought he won hands down. I thought the activity was just hard to give.
He looked good. He didn't look bad. All respect to Manny.
All right, thank you guys.
Fernando.
Do you think Barrios was holding back at all? It seemed like he could have capitalized more than he did. But maybe I was looking at it wrong.
I'm not Barrios, so I can tell you. That's him.
Ito mga card lover, kahit na kahit mga Meksikano ay nagpahayag na parang takot daw si Barrios umatake, hindi binigay yung lahat eh. Kasi kaya nga kapag gawin niya yung offensive attack kay Manny ay baka makounter siya ng malakas na kaliwa. Kaya ang kay Barrios ay points lamang ang technique nila Barrios para matalo si Manny Pacquiao. Pero ganun pa man, kahit points ay mas maraming patama si Manny. Lahat nagsabi na dapat split decision para kay Manny yun at hindi draw. Kaya nga kasi champion kasi si Barrios, kaya kailangan patumbahin talaga ang champion ng challenger. Yan ang diyan ng mga referee. Kailangan mapakita mo na natumba mo yung champion bago ka manalo. Kahit lamang ka sa puntos. Diba? So, ito naman maganda kasi hindi natalo si Manny. Ay pwede pa magkaroon siya ng rematch, o kung hindi man ay fight with Floyd Mayweather. Meron kasing lumalabas ngayon na si Mayweather Jr. ay interesadong makipag-bakbakan muli kay Manny Pacquiao dahil nga malaki ang kita talaga, maraming manonood kapag Manny Pacquiao. Kaya kung sino man ang makalaban ni Manny, talagang milyonaryo. Katulad nitong Barrios, siguradong mayroong sports car ito sa susunod na buwan, sigurado. Alright, balik tayo dito sa mga reactions ng mga celebrity at mga boksingero tungkol sa draw. Ay naku, tumaya pa naman ako kanina. Tumaya ako at ngayon, paano ko makuha yung pera? Paano nga ba makuha yun mga card lover? Kasi draw eh. Paano makuha mo yung taya mo? Wala namang nanalo, di ba? Saan yun mapunta? Yung online betting kasi. Sa online betting ako. Ngayon problema, paano kunin yun? Naku, hirap-hirap ng online no, kapag magiging draw ay hindi mo na makuha. Alright, so patuloy tayo dito sa mga reaksyon ng mga celebrities na nanonood kanina sa fight nila Manny at Barrios.
That he did. But maybe I was looking at it wrong.
I'm not Barrios, so I can tell you. That's him.
Devin, what you think, Devin? Who won, Devin?
I think Manny won 7-5.
Hey, do you want to see that Manny Mayweather rematch, Devin? You want to see that Manny? Devin, you want to see that Manny Mayweather rematch? Huh?
No touch him. We've seen Manny on the end of bad decisions before. Timothy Bradley, excuse me. Jeff Horn fight, shout out to Tim. I know how you feel about that.
That was a rock show. How you doing, first of all? Good to see you.
I've been good, man. Hey, listen, 9-3 had Pacquiao.
For Pacquiao?
Had Manny Pacquiao 9-3.
And just so the people know, that's not because you were training with him every day. That's just how you
No, it's how I saw the fight.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, it's different when you're watching it and when you're seeing it on TV. So, you know, plus the commentators, I don't know what they're talking about, how they saying it.
You know what's going on, huh?
I think Pacquiao won, but yeah, that was a great fight though. I think he won by one. I think it was a real close fight. I think a youngster stuck to his game plan. He made it hard for him. Pacquiao was more active. I think he landed more punches. But it's hard to kind of give him the belt coming back.
Ayun, so klarong-klaro mga kababayan na kahit itong ano dito, ito, isang trainer to eh. Sabi niya ay close fight pero he thinks that Manny landed more punches than Mario Barrios. Kaya klarong-klaro naman talaga na mas aggressive si Manny at si Barrios ay steady lang, di ba? So, dapat bigyan ng points ang aggressiveness, hindi lang patama. Pero mas maraming patama si Manny. Kahit bilangin yung CompuBox, di ba? Yung computer box doon, hindi binilang eh. Kaya ito ay parang namapya pa rin. Highway robbery ang tawag dito. Kasi gusto pa nilang mapanatili sa championship si Barrios. At ayaw pa nilang bigyan ng kampyonato si Manny. Dapat world champion na naman ngayon si Manny. Grabe highway robbery, di ba mga kababayan? Kasi kahit sinong magsalita dito na mga Amerikano, Mexicans, si Manny Pacquiao ang nanalo eh. Wala namang walang QP. Kahit ito talaga ang nila, kanilang pakiramdam na si Manny ang nanalo kahit na close fight. Alright, patuloy tayo sa mga reactions.
Manny did a great job, man. Manny did a great job.
Yeah, of course. Always. We win, man.
You guys won?
Yeah, we're so proud of him because, you know, at his age, he still fought like a real champion. That's all.
No, it's...
Manny, the fans came out for you again tonight, but describe what you thought of the judge's decision.
I mean, I thought I won by split decision, it's a close fight, but I thought I won.
Didn't look like a 46-year-old tonight. How did you feel inside the ring?
I feel good, I feel happy, 2 months training, although short, but it's enough. I want to train 3 months or 4 months, but I start late because of the election in the country.
What worked for you tonight, and what was missing late in the fight?
Missing late in the fight, the last two rounds, the crumbs, probably. It's okay.
But the rest of the fight, you look great. What happens now, Manny? Because there was options for you moving forward. There was even talks of a Floyd Mayweather fight. What do you see going on next in you?
Oh, that's another story. Let's talk about it. Good for me. I'm in shape again.
Do you feel that you have what it takes to be a world champion once again?
Yeah, I think so. I can still do it. For 2 months training, 4 years lay off, and then 2 months training. It's not bad. If you're boxing, my performance is okay. But it's improving my stamina, my footwork, getting back because.
Okay, so dito naman ay ang nakita ko ay kulang ng aggressiveness si Manny. Meron siyang aggressiveness pero parang media-media lamang. Hindi katulad yung aggressiveness niya kay Margarito, di ba? Yung sumabog yung muka ni Margarito, ganun din kay Shane Mosley. Yung mga ganun na atake sana. Kasi si Barrios ay mahaba ang kamay. Kailangan talaga diyan atakihin ng malapitan, close counter. Kasi kung dumidistansya si Manny, tatamaan talaga siya ng jab ni Mario. So dapat yung kanyang technique kay Margarito at Shane Mosley at kay De La Hoya, yun ang gagamitin niya kasi mga matatangkad yun na nakalaban. Itong si underrated lang naman to si Barrios ay hindi gaano itong umaatake, kumakounter lang. Kaya kunting aggressiveness lang ang kulang ni Manny, yun ang nawawala Kaya hindi nakita ng mga judges. O baka namapya talaga kahit na nakita. Nakita nga ng mga celebrities Nakita nga ng mga nag-comment kanina. Pero bakit yung tatlong judges hindi nila nakita? Dahil mayroon pa ring mapya sa boxing. Totoo yan. Kahit si Chavit Singson, Magsasabi na dinadaya si Manny. Kaya yan, highway robbery. Dapat sana ngayon, champion na naman ang ating pambansang kamao at headline na naman sana mamaya. Pero kinulang o talagang tinabla at highway robbery nga ang nangyayari sa desisyon na yun. Okay, balik tayo sa mga reactions dito sa bidyong ito.
I mean, that's the thing. Age is not on his side, so he's a legend. He can do whatever he wants. He wants to go get back in there and get a world title. He can do that.
What were the hardest things for him right there at 46, man?
Man, I think
he was pulling the trigger. Was he still letting the hands go?
I think he was letting his hands go. I think he could have put a little bit more, but to me, he looked good.
Maybe the rust, no?
I think a little bit. I think maybe a little hesitant here and there, but
so if he fights in December, maybe he could look a tad bit better. You think?
I think so.
I don't think Mayweather comes out of retirement for it, but it was a good fight, man. We all was entertained and stuff, man. I can't complain. So,
Robert, you really agree with the draw, or who you thought pulled it off?
It was close, man. It was a close fight. It was a close fight. It was good.
So the draw.
It was nice to see Manny moving like that, man.
Right?
Those feints. I think Barrios needed to use more of a double, triple jab with Manny. You know, I think that single jab wasn't enough, and Manny would come right through it. So.
What about a Barrios rematch? Pacquiao Barrios rematch?
I don't think he should, man. I mean, you know.
Want to know my answer? Yeah. He'll tell you. What I tell you?
He said,
Manny. Look at this. Let's see. Where is it at? Come on. Where is it? Look. Hey, what did you think it was going to be a draw? What time? You want to know my answer? Yeah. He'll tell you. What I tell you?
He said, Manny don't lose in Vegas, so you gotta have a draw.
So you would have had a board? I said the casino don't want to let Manny lose.
This way, right?
I said that's not okay.
We got up and out.
Super close fight, back and forth. I mean, Manny shocked me. I didn't think that he was going to be able to do the 12 rounds route. He looked really good until the 12th round. And Barrios just didn't do enough, man. He just was stuck in second gear. It seemed like there were a lot of opportunities for him to take advantage, and he just didn't. Manny did a great job of utilizing the crowd, utilizing his hand speed, his foot speed, some movement just to keep the emotion there. I was saying during the PPV.com live chat, I mean, Barrios fighting with zero swagger, with no attitude. Like, just wasn't selling anything he was doing. He did a lot of good work, but you had to be really, really watching to see him do it.
Ayan, so ayan ang komento nitong vlogger at podcaster. Wala daw swag si Barrios. Hindi pinapakita yung bangis. Hindi daw nagsisell, hindi selling yung moves ni Barrios, hindi maganda. Kaya ang mangyari daw dito ay walang rematch kay Barrios, pero merong susunod na big fight si Manny. It's either kay Gervonta Davis, the Tank Davis, or kay Floyd Mayweather mismo, kasi napakalaking pustahan yan at napakalaking pay-per-view at napakalaking ng kita niyan kapag Mayweather at Manny Pacquiao. Yung Gervonta the Tank Davis naman versus Manny ay patas na patas talaga yan, kasi magkasing laki lang yung dalawa, si Tank Davis. Pero palagay ko mahirapan si Manny kay the Tank kasi bata pa at malakas din sumuntok. Pero ewan lang natin kasi malakas naman si Manny, kapag tatama yan tulog talaga. Pero mas maganda kay Floyd Mayweather kasi pareho silang may edad. Alright mga kababayan, hanggang dito na lamang tayo pag-comment sa inyong saloobin tungkol sa kanina, sa buntalan kanina nila Manny at Barrios. Ako ay nanghinayang, hindi ko makuha yung pusta ko. Nanghinayang ako, saan ko kunin yun? Online betting yun Kaya parang nag-abuloy tayo dyan. Kaya nga, dapat matuloy na tong bill ni Rapi Tulfo na ipagbawal ang mga online betting, online gaming, online gambling. Kasi ito, ngayon, biktima kaagad ako, di ba? Hindi ko makuha yung pusta. Grabe. Kaya kudos kay Senator Rapi Tulfo, sana ay matuloy yung bill niya tungkol sa pagbawal na ng lahat ng online gaming sa Pilipinas. Alright, hanggang sa muli mga kababayan, mga card lover, ako'y magpaalam na, at sa mga bago pa lamang nakabisita ngayon, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Malaking tulong para sa aming mga content creator.